How to add Afterpay to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add Afterpay to Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify and we want to add Afterpay, which is a payment method. So for that, you'll just have to open up your store and go to your settings. In settings, you will find payments right here. Click on payments and now it will show you a lot of different payment methods that we can add. So if we go to the different payment providers, we can check them out from here. We have payment methods. So if I go to payment methods from here, and we can search for any kind of payment method that we were looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Afterpay, and you can see it's not available in payment methods. I'm going to go back to payment providers. A provider will actually give us, I think, Afterpay. So let's go with this one. So you can simply go to payment providers and look for it. Now, keep in mind, it also depends on your location where you have actually registered your Shopify. I hope that you will be able to actually find them very easily right here in payment method or payment provider. But if you do not, then you will actually have to go to the apps right here and go for an Afterpay app and add it to your Shopify. But for most of you guys, just go to payments right here and then search for a payment provider or a supported payment method, Afterpay, and just connect your Afterpay and it will be added to Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.